Hey everybody, welcome back to my little corner of the YouTube universe. Gonna finish up the Dyna. Got the tank protected because we're gonna be working up here. Don't want to screw up the great paint job. But these bushings are worn out, so we're gonna pop those out. Put these good poly ones in. Hang around, we'll get this done. Shouldn't take long. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna start here. I had to tilt the headlight down a little bit because I would like to go in from the back, but there's a hard brake line right here that I can't, there's no room. So I have to go in here. Uh, Rotated the headlight down. I marked it down here on the bracket so I know where to line it back up. So we're going to pull this off. There's a ground cable on it, a washer, and a cup washer. So I'm going to loosen this one, then I'm going to pull this one out. That way I can rotate these handlebars and get the bushing out of here. And this is a 3/4. What? Yeah. All right. There's not one. Move over here. Nope, not yet. Yeah. Crazy wrenches here. Let's see. What? Yeah. All right. It's out. No, just sounded like it was. Yeah, it's being a little bit frustrating. All right, there we go. Now I can get to that. The bolt comes out. The bolt comes out. That ground wire. What do you know? Ground wire's too short to pull that all the way out. Go figure. All right. Well, I'll give you a peek real quick. That ground wire, too short. Can't pull that bolt all the way out. So I'm gonna have to, it's connected here. So I'm gonna have to pull that out real quick. Okay, this I got the ground off and boom, it came out. So there's a cup washer, the little door washer, I guess you want to call it, ground wire, and a lock washer. All right, there, get this cup washer at the top. And there's a collar in there. Yeah, yeah, should slide right out. And we're pushing out with it. So let's see what happens. Here it comes. And here she goes. All right, so that's the lower bushing. The lower bushing, little collar. Let's get that top one out. There we go. Not, yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's a little, that is a little worn out. Not bad, but it's a little worn out. I'm gonna clean that out a little bit, a little Scotch Brite, and then we'll put the other ones in, and move over to the other side. Okay, one thing you got to pay attention to in changing these. Obviously, you want to make sure they match up, and they do. Um, I'm sorry. Yeah, they match up. Everything's good. One thing you want to watch is on these aftermarket bushing, even though these are poly, check the cup washer. Some of them, these kits, they're not very good. I mean, they'll work, but they're not as heavy duty as these are. So, I mean, you might be able to tell the difference. Yeah, you can tell the difference. So, I am not using the ones that came with kits. I'm using Harley ones. Clean them up a little bit. Boom. All right, get these put in. Start with the top. All right. No sleeve. All right. Put the bottom one in. There we go. All right. Cup washer. Cleaned out the original Harley one. Right back on the top. Bring the hand. Original cup washer. The little store washer. Ground. Lock washer. And the border back up. Crank it in there. Get it going. Let me see. Hold on. Let me keep this right here. There we go. That should be enough for now. I don't need to leave it loose. So other side. Same procedure. Dang, just the washer. All right. All right. Even though the fender's be right back. Okay, so the last part taken is part. Apparently, the battery in my microphone started dying. So I'm back to using the camera microphone. All right, so this is cleaned up. Let's get these new bits and pieces down in there and get this thing wrapped up. So I'm going to keep it in here this time. Oh boy, that's nice and snug. I like it. And these, you can just like sandwich them here and they'll go together. There we go. All right, that looks good. All right, cup washer, cleaned it up. Cup washer, lock washer. Kind of jiggle the handlebars to get it going. Nothing cross threads. Put some electrons on it. Kind of go at it slow. I'm not hammering this home. Doesn't want to go home. There it goes. There, it didn't go. That's when I'll cover this stuff up. Where'd it go? All right, that should be home right there. This doesn't seem right. Hold up. right. These are torqued down to 40 foot-pounds per the manual. That's 40 right there. This one may be there. Well, they both may be there right now. Nope. Oh, thought I had it closer than that. Boy, I really missed that one. Wow. Hold up. My eyes should be deceiving me. All right. That side. Well, just about. There we go. All right. There we go. Your bushings. Oh, absolutely. Yes, sir. So there you go. That's like it should be. What's that? Good and tight, snug, but not too tight to be, I don't know, not too tight to be too tight. So there we go. This bike, oh, and the battery, it's trying to save it. We'll see. Those things are expensive, man. This is insane. Anyway, there she goes. Carburetor, handlebar bushing. All right. Let me get this done, and we'll take it for a spin at some point. But anyway, I'll bring you back for that. But for now, that's going to end this video, and that's pretty much going to end it for this bike. Might be the last time you see it on here, on the channel here. So, say bye-bye. Like I've said in an earlier video, I have decided to flip it because I got such a smoking deal, and I can take that money and put it right back into my little tiny channel. And I'm actually going to put some effort behind it and try to grow. So we'll see what happens. Grow enough to where I can get out of here. This is a one-car garage, and yeah, see, it's just, it's a one-car garage. I don't know what those are, and I don't know what's in there. Oh, well, maybe I did. Anyway, that's going to do it for this. I do appreciate y'all, watching me mess around with these things. Like it says at the top of my page here, I'm a functioning motorcycle addict, and I'm good with that. I'm okay. I'm not seeking recovery at all. I will never recover from being a functioning motorcycle addict. Motorcycle stuff. Motorcycle. More in the back. We will be getting back on the CR250. So I think I'm gonna do a video also on how I flip motorcycles, how I find them, how I price them, my do's, my don'ts, what I'll avoid, what I jump over or jump on immediately. So I'm going to do one of those at some point, put it up, and you guys can watch it if you're interested. If not, don't watch it. Fair enough. All right. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Give me a big old dirty thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Doesn't cost you a thing. I'll never charge for that. So, oh, what the hell? Why's that thing pointing to the stars? All right. Tighten that up a little bit. Anywho's, she's good. Again, appreciate it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, whatever that's going to be. Oh, it's going to be the dirt bike. We're going to get all that put back on it. All right. Peace.